let's learn about three functions which are usable for our daily life in Excel. One, average, second one is minimum, and the third one is maximum. The syntax for average is equal to average, bracket starts, and select the range and close the bracket. It was returned with a value. Second one is minimum. The syntax for minimum is equal to minimum, min is equal to min, min. Bracket starts and select the range and close the bracket. Next one is maximum. Syntax is equal to max, bracket start and select the range and close the bracket. See, for column F, the maximum value mentioned is 14,24,004. This is the biggest value, that is the maximum value. And 2,16,000 is the minimum value. And average for this. How to calculate the average? The sum total of this divided by the count. The sum total is 77,20,060 and the count is 10. So 77,20,016 divided by 10. So it has returned a value. The same value we got in average function. I hope you all like this video. Please like my videos and subscribe our channel for further updates.